came from one of the Baba Talk participants. She asked that please ask Baba whether he would like to disclose the names or the identities of the five perfect masters currently in this earth. So, Baba, would you like to?
So Baba saying it is only revealed when you get to know that avatar, correct? So when you got to know me, not everybody knows me as the avatar of the sage, right? Does everybody know? No. Only those who know that I am the avatar as Meher Baba. Then my life story or how I got to be the avatar of the age and who were part of my cycle or my circle will be revealed, correct? So from that point of view, it's only when you get to know that avatar, if there is any in this age, now, presently, it's only then you will know of those five of those perfect masters, not otherwise. So for example, maybe the neighbor next door or the person you work with has not heard of Meher Baba. So will it matter to them if there are five perfect masters existing as of today? Or if there were five perfect masters at the time of Meher Baba? Because they have no exposure, they don't know. But in this avataric age, I have said I have only come for the chosen few. So only those chosen few will know about those five perfect masters, and of course through them, others who would like to know will know about those five perfect masters. Right? So if there is an avatar age, if there is an avatar as of today, it's only then you will know of those five perfect masters. And it really doesn't matter for you to know. You are connected with me, right? So it's important for you to hold on to what is mine and which is for you. It doesn't matter. Even if there are perfect masters all the time, Baba was saying. All the time there are perfect masters who run the universe. But is it required for you to know? So if your neighbor hears about Meher Baba and you tell them, yeah, there are five perfect masters, it's not really going to matter to them. Will it matter to them? No. They will hear the story. Yes, okay, fine, all right. Yes, okay.
Yeah, but is there a reason why you don't want to disclose? Maybe not the identity, not the names, some broad idea about who they are, where they are, and what they are doing currently.
No, it is not required. Because why will you change your focus from what you already have? Is it required? Is there a need for you to do that? If your focus to know Baba, then is there a need to know about someone else?
So you're saying you don't reveal so that we don't lose our focus.
Yes.
So you want us to continue to...
It is not required. It is not required. There are perfect masters, there are great saints who exist, and they are doing that. They're doing the universal work as good spiritual workers. So let them do their job.
And are they incognito or they are revealed to the people who are in and around them?
They would be revealed to the people in and around them. So if I came as a very small incarnation or avatar as Shivaji, that time, the people knew. At that point of time, nobody knew that I was that avatar, right? Because that was a very small incarnation of mine for a specific purpose. Likewise, there could be energies around, there could be smaller, minor incarnations existing. But it is not required for you to know.
So what kind of work they do? They do pure spiritual work or they do public service? They do,
yeah, they're involved with running the governance of the universe.
shifting energies.
Shifting energies.
So
correct.
that's what they do. Their work is basically to shift the energies.
And maintain the balance.
And
Absolutely.
do they live in the public arena or they live in Himalayas or they live in some remote corner of this earth? Where do they operate?
No, they could also exist in public domain, yes. Very much.
So they could be in public domain like normal people like you and I. Not you, but us, normal people like us. Or they...
Yes, for example, for all you know, there could be a great saint who's doing good spiritual work from Serbia.
So they will be attired like a spiritual person, like a saint or...
Yes, because they are constantly absorbing energies, right? They are absorbing and they're deflecting. They're doing their work. And in saying that, Baba is saying there are also many musts still existing. Must soul also comes and goes, right? So they are also existing. They are also doing universal work.
Okay.
But what is the need? If I tell you there is one, if there is one perfect master existing in Serbia, are you going to go to Serbia and keep finding who that person is?
No.
No, it is not required. As I told you, you cannot have more than one tutor teaching you one subject, correct? So you stick to the tutor, whether you like it or not. You feel, yes, that tutor will help me deliver and get the best result for me. So you will hold on to that tutor, right?
Right. So that's the reason that you want us to hold on to you, and that's the reason you don't want us to know who the others are,
Right.
so that it
Yeah,
might
it's
not
not. Yeah,
change the focus.
It just doesn't. It's not about changing the focus. It is just not. There's no need for you to know who are those five perfect masters.
Thank you, Baba. So, just a one line summary to the question.
The one line answer is that you're privileged to know me as the avatar of the age and everything that comes with the avatar of this age as Meher Baba. So you should count your blessings and feel very privileged to have known your life cycle journey and mine together in this age. And hence, hold on to what is being told to you.
Okay. Thank you, Baba. Thank you.